Hey guys, today I'm gonna be sitting down and I'm gonna be talking to you about luxury makeup that I think is actually worth the money. No question about it. I absolutely love cheap makeup. I like inexpensive. I'm all about trying to find the best deal, trying to shop inexpensively. I'm all about that. I love a little luxury here and there. I love really beautifully crafted, just stunning makeup. I'm also gonna offer some dupes in this video. So if you are like, I really wanna try that, but I just can't, I'm gonna give some dupes as well, just to talk about, you know, like let's just say the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. Beautiful product, absolutely amazing. e.l.f. has an incredible dupe. So I'm gonna do that as well, but I also wanna talk to you guys about makeup that I think is worth the money, because while I love a good, inexpensive, really affordable product, you guys know I do videos about that all the time, which I'm gonna link down below if you guys are looking for like the most affordable. Those are down in the description. Full face dollar store makeup, full face of the cheapest makeup that I could find at Target. I'm not a complete luxury girly, as many of you know, but I am with makeup and I am with some other products as well. So we're gonna hop into it and I'm gonna talk about things that I think are worth your money. I wanna start off with the first luxury product, which is actually today's sponsor, and that is Idol. Idol has the most beautiful jewelry that I feel like suits my personality completely. Choosing what I wanted from them was so hard because I like it all. Truly, I like it all. They use the most beautiful, high quality lab-grown diamonds. They also use traceable gold, which is considered green gold. It comes from conflict-free regions, adhering to strict environmental and human rights policies, which I think is so important. The way that I did is you pick a diamond stud. They have petite, medium, or big. I picked medium, and then you can choose your Idol add-on. So I have this guy on right here. This one is called Lucia. I got the gold for everything, but they have white gold as well, rose gold. It has little holes in the back so you can kind of choose the length at which you want it, and it connects to the diamond stud and it just sits at the bottom of the ear. Then they have another one that I got that is so beautiful, and that one is jade, and jade is one that I would wear like every single day. I'm very minimal when it comes to jewelry. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I like it small and petite. This necklace is the Ada, and it is just so petite and beautiful. I absolutely love it. It is exactly the kind of necklace that I love to wear. They have so many different ones that you can choose from. You can like really add it to a stack as well if you have those earrings. I have one. I got a second ear piercing. It didn't work out for me. I got this one. Also didn't work out for me. So we're just rocking the singular one, but that's fine because I'm minimal. They're essentially like modular earrings, you know? You can build them, stack them, change them. You've got your little stud here and you can do so many different things with them. And I just think they are so unique and so cool. And it's just the perfect jewelry brand for me personally, because they are lab grown. They do care about where their gold comes from. And I just love the minimalism, but also just like how striking the products are. They have earrings, bracelets, necklaces, rings, accessories. They have so many different things to choose from. I'm more of an earring girl and like the teeny tiniest little necklace girl. And the thing about Idol is that they're made to be worn every day. They're not just those pieces that you wear once in a while. You can, of course, if you want, but these are made to be worn every single day, and they really are that for me. And if you guys are interested in checking out Idol, I will have all the information that you guys need down in the description of this video. And like I said, they have up to 20% off going on right now for their Black Friday sale. And I want to thank you so much, Idol, for sponsoring today's video. Now we're gonna hop into the rest of the luxury products that I recommend. So the first brand that I think none of you are gonna be surprised by is Hourglass. Hourglass is one of those brands that the first time I saw their pricing, like first time I walked into Sephora, I was like, ooh, this brand is pretty. And then I looked at their pricing and I was like, you can't be serious right now, because they're pricey, but oh man, are the products just beautiful. I don't know if there's really anything from Hourglass that I haven't really liked. Foundation stick, 10,000 out of 10. I just have to say, if there's like one product that I could recommend from Hourglass, I think it's their Vanish foundation stick. It is so good. They're cruelty-free. In this video, I'm only gonna talk about cruelty-free makeup. There are a lot of luxury brands out there that are beautiful. They have stunning makeup, but they still test on animals. So I will not be recommending those products in today's video. Unfortunately, I am limited to the amount of luxury brands that I can talk about, because a lot of luxury brands do choose to test on animals by selling in China. Again, Hourglass is just beautiful through and through. Their products are 10 of 10. They're luxury. They feel really heavy and beautiful in your hands. One beef I do have with Hourglass is that all their packaging is really shiny, so it gets extremely fingerprinty. Like as soon as you use it, this is brand new. I pulled it out of the box today and it's just already looks kind of fingerprinty. Their stick foundation, 10 of 10. It is beautiful, but also their powders, there's just something about them. If you ever tried Hourglass powders, you know what I'm talking about. They're milled in such a beautiful way that I cannot describe. They feel like crystalline butter, micro smooth, but they have like a hint of radiance to them. If you can get anything, I love the bronzer from Hourglass. If they have a palette, I really love their palettes. Those I get a lot of use out of. and their foundation. Just such good products. One product of theirs that I'm kind of iffy on is the Caution Mascara. At first I was like, oh, it's okay. I don't know. When I've used it up against other mascaras, I'm like, honestly, I like Tarte Man-Eater way better. I like Too Faced Better Than Sex way better. I like CoverGirl Exhibitionist way better. There are some products that are like, but through and through, Hourglass is like a beautiful brand, and it's very luxurious. The next is actually one of my friend's brands, and it is such a beautiful luxury brand that I just cannot recommend enough. Auric. Now, Auric is owned by Samantha Ravindal, and it is just such a luxury brand. The packaging of Auric is just stunning. I mean, and I know it's packaging, it gets thrown away, but there's just something so beautiful and heavy, and it just feels so substantial. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like something you just want to toss. It's not like Wet n Wild, you know what I mean? It feels really good. And the product, 10 of 10. They have a lot of really beautiful products. They have a lip balm that when you use it, it actually has a little opening at the top with a jade spatula or a little rose quartz spatula, and you use your little beautiful stone spatula to pull out this most decadent, amazing lip product that is just so beautiful. And everything about it is just so beautifully thought out and so beautifully curated. I just cannot recommend it enough. Glow Lust, there's something so special about it. So they have multiple different shades in it, but basically this is a liquid highlighter. And you see me apply it here in the video, and it's just a lit from within glow. It's not sparkly, it's not difficult to work with, it's just beautiful. The one thing about this product is that there is an amount in here that will last you your whole entire life. So for Auric, the only thing I think is people aren't gonna be needing to rebuy this very often because this will last you your life. You need so very little of it, and it's just beautiful. It's this most, like I said, the gorgeous lit from within glow. You can put it under your foundation. You can use it like I do, like highlighter. It's just stunning. It's very thick, but it doesn't stay tacky. It's literally an incredible product, and I could not recommend it enough. The entire brand feels very elevated. It feels very Hourglass, very luxury, and it is worth the money. Everything that I've tried, like I know Samantha, and I know how much effort and work goes into each product. It is not something that is coming to you with no thought behind it. It's not something that she's putting out willy-nilly. So much time and effort has been spent to make sure that this product that is coming your way is beautiful, high quality, wearable, usable. It's multifaceted. The way that she curates products as well is for them to be, you can mix it, you can shear it down. It's very like versatile in that way. All the products really have like multiple uses, and they're trying to come up with like, I think like everything feels like really thoughtfully curated. And so there's something to be said for Auric products just like across the board. I really don't think you would ever buy them and be disappointed. They're weighted, they're beautiful, they just feel very luxury. Going back and talking about skincare, there is a brand that whether or not they were meant to be luxury, irrelevant. I'm telling you, they feel like it. And that is Desi Skin. I'm just gonna hop on my soapbox for a minute and then I'll get off, okay? But I have to talk to you about Desi Skin because I don't think enough people are. If you have never tried Desi Skin products, and I understand there's 1,000,000,001 brands out there, but there is something special about Desi Skin, okay? If you don't know, this is Desi Perkins brand. She's another influencer, but let me tell you, they are beautiful. I have not yet found in all my years of YouTube a product I think I like as much as everything that I've tried from Desi Skin. One of my favorite moisturizers is the Agua Fresca moisturizer. I've gone through, I don't know, 3 or 4 bottles of it. This is the Pink Nectar Squalene Oil Serum Drops. Stunning. Packaging, 10 of 10. Luxury feeling through and through. Everything about Desi Skin, like so dirty because it's been sitting on my table, but this is the Claro KC, and 10 of 10. Literally love it. This is a vitamin C. My favorite products from Desi Skin, like I said, Agua Fresca, Balm, I think it's called the Balm makeup remover. So good. It's such a good makeup remover. There's a face wash in there. And I think, you know what the thing is about Desi product? They feel like they are what they are. I don't know how to explain it in any other way. They don't have filler. They don't have scent. They don't have fluff. Sometimes when you try a skincare product, you're like, why is there 17,000 ingredients in this? And I feel like it didn't need to have that. It almost feels like overkill. When you try Desi Skin, it feels like it is just base ingredients of deliciousness. Like your skin just drinks it up. It feels like what my skin wants. It feels like what my skin needs. It doesn't feel like I'm slathering my skin in chemicals. It feels like I'm slathering my skin in heaven. I cannot describe it. Like everything from Desi Skin is 10 of 10. I think my favorite thing is, you guys know that I'm very sensitive to scent, and Desi Skin products don't have any added fragrance. The one product does, it's like a body gloss, the orange one. Other than that, it doesn't make any difference, and the orange one smells delightful. Just, I highly recommend if you're looking for like a skincare prep set. It feels beautiful, it feels luxurious, and it feels right. So Desi Skin is another one. Another brand that you're gonna see me use, you see me use it all the time. I don't know if this is necessarily considered luxury, but I would definitely say so price-wise, is Makeup by Mario. Makeup by Mario, as you guys know, Mario Dedivanovic, one of those, is Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. And he has such a beautiful style of makeup that I feel like he was the perfect person to put out a makeup line. You guys know that my ride or die #1 absolute most used eyebrow pencil is the Makeup by Mario Master Blade Brow Pencil. It is so good. Why it gets a 3-star on Sephora, I will literally never know. I have zero beef with it. It is a lovely product. It lasts all day, easy to apply. It's beautiful. It comes in a million colors. It's just so good. The packaging is pretty minimal. It's just sort of a white packaging with black lettering, but it's not overkill in any way. I wouldn't say it's the most luxurious packaging I've ever felt, but it is just beautiful. I absolutely love everything that I've tried by Makeup by Mario. Right now I'm wearing the brow pencil. I have on the bronzer. They have cream bronzers as well. Absolutely beautiful. Makeup by Mario is a beautiful brand, and I feel like the products are just suited for, if you're just wanting something good and beautiful and timeless and classic, you're gonna get it with Makeup by Mario. Really good products, and I have no beef with it at all. Oh, I also have on the Makeup by Mario black eyeliner. Eyeshadow, this is a tough one for me, because if we're going luxury, Pat McGrath is another that is extremely luxury, but like I said, I can only talk about cruelty-free makeup, and unfortunately Pat McGrath is not. The brand that I'm showing you today, I would not call actually a luxury brand necessarily. Melt Cosmetics is not super cheap, but I love their eyeshadows through and through. I just think they're beautiful. These are the little stacks that I think are really beautiful for everyday wear. I actually put on a stack today that I'm not as much of a fan of. It's this one here. I just feel like it's giving patchy when I put it on today. I should have used the one that I've used a million times, and that's this one here. This is the neutral browns stack. This is amazing. 10 out of 10, highly suggest. This one's mostly matte, and it's really, really beautiful, and I always have a good time with this one. This eye look was just, I tried my best, all right, with what I have going on. As far as an eyeshadow company goes, Melt has really beautiful eyeshadows. They really put a lot of time and effort into them, although I do feel that some people struggle a little bit with their shadows because they're extremely pigmented. Eyeshadows are gonna be one of those areas that for me, you can find dupes of in other ways. Elf, let's say, you know, $3 or $4 for an eyeshadow palette with quad, you know? So it's hard for me to want to be like, no, this eyeshadow from this brand is the best. You know, Makeup by Mario has that really good, beautiful eyeshadow palette, and that's really, really nice. Huda Beauty is one of my favorite eyeshadows. ColourPop has great shadows. There's so many out there that aren't luxury. So eyeshadows is where it's iffy and hard for me, because I just feel like I've yet to find an eyeshadow where I'm like, worth the $500 that you're charging. Another brand that I think is really lovely, but like I said, has a lot of dupes now, is Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury makeup is beautiful. It is really lovely. I do feel like they've watered themselves down a little bit in the past few years. It's not as luxury as it used to feel like, but Charlotte Tilbury makeup is beautiful. It's beautifully made. I love the colors. I love the lipsticks. I really love the Hollywood Flawless filter. However, like I said, the e.l.f. Halo Glow, I think that's what it's called. It's literally an exact dupe. And there's other brands like Emco, they do an exact dupe. And they have the same packaging. They literally look exactly the same. So if I'm going to buy a product, is it worth it? Yes. But also those other ones are too, and they're cheaper. So I'm going to go with those because they are basically the exact same thing. They are the exact same thing, and they perform exactly the same. But if you want that like Charlotte Tilbury name and you like the vibes, you're not gonna be disappointed in the products. Like, they are lovely. I'm not wearing it in this video, but honorable mention, Lisa Eldridge is so lovely. Lisa Eldridge is an incredible makeup artist who has since been creating cosmetics. And she started off with all these lipsticks and sent me them, and they are just, they're stunning. They're stunning. Everything about Lisa Eldridge makeup is giving luxury beauty, like classic, timeless, stunning, incredible. You are not going to be disappointed in Lisa Eldridge, like, period. It's just beautiful. And I love the way that she just has a passion for makeup. She has a passion for beauty and like just finding everyone's own unique beauty. It's just really, I can tell that she actually cares. There's just something about the products that you can feel that. So honorable mention, I say that because I did not actually use any of it in this video, but 10 out of 10. This brand, I don't know, they're new to me, but I have a feeling they're gonna be up in my top, okay? And I'm gonna apply it again on camera. Ravie Beauty. Ravie Beauty, are they luxury? I don't know. What do you consider? Who considers what luxury? If you're talking like Gucci, not cruelty free. NARS, not cruelty free. All these other brands, like I can't talk about them, okay? I can't talk about Givenchy. They're not cruelty free, so I can't talk about them. I can't promote them. And I will say, the Prisma Libre powder that everybody talks about and everyone's like, oh my God, viral Prisma Libre powder. It's fucking garbage, okay? It is awful. I use it on my face. I literally felt like I was putting a powder puff of glitter on my face. I don't know what people are talking about. Garbage. I literally had it and was like, you're going in the trash. If we're gonna talk about luxury, we gotta go with something that feels luxurious, okay? I don't know if the brand has considered it necessarily. I will say, Allie Glines is giving luxury to me. Just like when I see her, she's just such a put together, beautiful, elegant, like I would call her elegant. This is her makeup brand. She's also another YouTuber. You know what? YouTubers make good in makeup. Just gonna say. Ravie Beauty, this product specifically, this is the Effortless Lips in the shade Daisy. I'm pissed about it, okay? I'm pissed because it is so good, you guys. I need you to put it on your face. It's so beautiful. It is, I know you can see it on me right now, and it's just, you know what it is? Effortless Lips is the perfect name, and Allie, you did an incredible job with that. It is effortless. You don't have to look in a mirror when you're applying it. It just looks incredible. It makes your lips look juicy, but not glossy and sticky and weird. It's literally one of the most beautiful lip products. Like it's 10 of 10 and Allie did an incredible job. It feels like a luxury brand to me. It's a beautiful product and I want her to get some recognition because I feel like that's hard to do in today's day and age, you know, get your name out there when you're a brand. And I'm actually really surprised, not surprised actually. A lot of the brands that make it into my everyday makeup rotation are created by YouTubers. Isn't that weird? Think about this. One Size, love their products. Desi, love their products. Auric, love their products. Ravie, love the products. Lunar Beauty, love the products. Like think about this. It's like the majority of my makeup. That's pretty cool. I think that's it, guys. I think that is the majority of my, I wear way more makeup than this. It Cosmetics CC Cream, absolutely incredible. Love it with my entire heart. Freck Beauty, so good. Huda, love. But if we're narrowing it down to just ones that feel like really luxury, I think this is it for today's video. You know what I'm saying? All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and that it was interesting to watch. It gave you some information. It gave you some insight into different brands that you didn't know about. Like I said, I'm still gonna use cheap makeup, okay? I'm cheap in my heart. I love to feel fancy, but I really am a dollar store girl. I love getting a steal. I love being like, $1, you're coming home with me. And I thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you at my next video. Bye. Hello.
Dinner's ready.
Yeah?
Yes.
What is it?
Potatoes and meat.
Potatoes and meat.